In this video, we're going to learn how to flatten a PDF in C#. What's up, guys? Today, we're going to learn how to compress your PDFs in C# using IronPDF. This process helps to compress and reduce the size of PDFs without reducing the quality. So in this sample PDF, we're going to flatten the image using IronPDF. Currently, the fields are editable and data can be saved in this PDF. After flattening this image, of course, this will no longer be editable. So let's move on to our Visual Studio. Ensure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed. I've already done so, but if you'd like to do so to follow along, you can do that using the NuGet package manager. In the program.cs file, I have the code ready to show you. So let's walk through how we can flatten PDFs using IronPDF. We'll begin by importing the IronPDF and setting up the license key. This step is obviously necessary to unlock all the full capabilities of the library. Next, we'll load the PDF using the PDF document from file method, and we'll open a file named before.pdf. Then we'll use the flatten method provided by IronPDF. This method compresses the PDF file and then reduces its size, again, while maintaining the quality. After flattening the PDF, let's save the file with a different file name, such as after_flatten.pdf. Now that everything's set up and ready to go, let's run the project, and then we'll compare side by side the before and after PDFs. All right, so there you go. The PDF is generated, and the PDF is flattened in comparison to the original PDF. It is also now not editable. That's it. You've learned how to flatten a PDF using IronPDF and C#. This is obviously super helpful in preserving the editable form data. All right, guys, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like and subscribe if you did. We also have a trial subscription if you'd like to check it out. There's a link in the description below. Go to our website, download it. You can thank me later.